Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. Okay. Welcome to the online classes from Devasi International Public School and myself Anjali Panchal, your English teacher. So let's start today's poem number 9, Garden Snake. So first I want to ask some questions. Okay, have you ever seen a snake fighting a mongoose? Or getting into a hole or swimming in the river? क्या कभी आपने एक स्नेक को मंगूस के साथ लड़ते हुए देखा है? क्या उसको अपने घर में यानी कि होल में जाते हुए देखा है, या तो फिर स्नेक को रिवर में स्विमिंग करते हुए देखा है? ओके, एवरीवन, ऑलमोस्ट एवरीवन बिलीव्स दैट स्नेक्स आर डेंजरस. हर किसी ने, ऑलमोस्ट हर किसी ने ये बिलीव किया है, ये बिलीव करते हैं कि स्नेक्स बहुत डेंजरस होते हैं. सम आर, most are not, but we can say some snakes are dangerous, not most are dangerous. So let's read this poem on a harmless garden snake. चलो हम इस पोएम को पढ़ते हैं और देखते हैं इसमें कौन से स्नेक की बात हो रही है. I saw a snake and ran away. Here I refers to the poet, and the poet is Morel Elson. So I saw a snake and ran away. Poet once saw a snake and ran away from that place, और वहाँ से वो भाग गए. Some snakes are dangerous, they say. Here they say means here people refers to that they. Some snakes are dangerous. लोग कहते हैं कि some snakes बहुत dangerous होते हैं. थोड़े snakes होते हैं वो बहुत डेंजरस होते हैं, विनामस होते हैं, जहरीले होते हैं, जो डस भी सकते हैं. बट मदर सेज दैट काइंड इज़ गुड. बट मदर, हियर द मदर ऑफ द पोइट सेज दैट, वो ऐसा कहते हैं कि वो जो स्नेक्स होते हैं वो गुड यानी कि अच्छे होते हैं. एंड ईट्स अप इंसेक्ट्स फॉर हिज फूड, और वो क्या खाते हैं अपने फूड में? इंसेक्ट्स को खाते हैं. सो हियर दिस स्नेक इज़ ऑफ गार्डन एंड the insects from garden as a food that snake eats. So when he wiggles in the garden, I'll stand aside and watch him pass. When he wiggles means, the poet says that when that snake wiggles in the garden, wiggles here means the rotation or zigzag pattern, जो जैसे जो snakes होते हैं वो ज़मीन पर चलते हैं, उसकी बात हो रही है. सो जब वो ज़मीन पर चलकर, ग्रास पर, ज़मीन की घास पर चलकर जा रहे होते हैं, आई स्टैंड असाइड, मैं साइड में खड़ा रह जाता हूँ. वॉच हिम पास, और उनको पास होते हुए, जाते हुए देखता हूँ. एंड टेल माई सेल्फ, और पोइट हियर, पोइट टेल हिमसेल्फ दैट देयर इज़ नो मिस्टेक, इसमें कोई भी मिस्टेक नहीं है. इट जस्ट अ हार्मलेस गार्डन स्नेक, ये और कुछ भी नहीं है बट जस्ट एक हार्मलेस गार्डन स्नेक है. गार्डन स्नेक मीन्स जो गार्डन में रहता है और फिर इंसेक्ट को खाता है और वहाँ पे रहता है, चलता है, घूमता है, और गार्डन का स्नेक है. सो इसमें कोई मिस्टेक नहीं है. इट्स जस्ट अ हार्मलेस गार्डन snake. So students, I hope you all understood the small and sweet poem written by Morel Elson. So let's move further working with the poem. In that, first answer the following questions. First question is, pick out the line that suggests that the child is afraid of snakes.
Yes.
So in this poem you have to pick out one line. Which line is this? I saw a snake and ran away. First line that suggests that the child is afraid of snake. The second question, which line shows a complete change of the child's attitude towards snakes? Read it aloud. So the answer of the second question is, I will stand aside and watch him pass and tell myself there is no mistake, it's just a harmless garden snake. So third question, but mother says that kind is good. What is mother referring to? The mother is referring to the harmless garden snake. Second number question number 2, find the word that refers to the snake's movement in the grass. The word that refers to the snake's movement in the garden is wiggles. In this poem we have learned that word refers to the snake's movement is wiggles. Question number 3. There are 4 pairs of rhyming words in the poem. Say them aloud. So first is away, say, good, food, grass, pass, mistake, snake. So these 4 rhyming pairs are there. Another question number 4. A snake has no legs and feet, but it moves very fast. Can you guess how? Discuss. A snake has no legs or feet, but it moves very fast as it slides over the grass with the help of its scale.
Number 5.
Question number 5. Can you recall the word used for a cobra's long sharp teeth? Where did you come across with the word first? So, cobra's long sharp teeth are like 2 paws or forks that are ready to chase you down. It makes me frightened. They are called fangs, which is hollow tube attached to the poisonous gland on one side. I came across these words as it looks very dangerous and sharp like knife. So students, this all about the question answers of this poem. So hope you understood all. Thank you very much.